Hey there, it's Craig from Walt's Coffee. I'm pretty excited to announce, and you've heard this already this week, but we have now created a blend for espresso specifically. It's great for a lot of other coffees, but this is specifically made for espresso. And I know a lot of people don't necessarily have espresso machines at home, so we wanted to put a video out to show you a couple different ways that you can use an espresso blend to kind of get an espresso type of brew at home. Really pretty cheap, pretty easy, pretty quick. You don't need a super expensive espresso machine to do it. So anyway, we're going to walk you through real quick on how to make an espresso type drink with a moka pot, which is just a simple machine we're showing, not machine, but product that a lot of people in Italy use, and it's stovetop, super easy. So we're going to start off with our new espresso brand called 1110 Espresso Blend. And we grind it fine. So here is what a moka pot is. It's really simple. Looks like this. Whoops. It screws off the top. And we're gonna put our water in right here. This is a steam valve, so make sure not to fill it up. You're gonna grind your coffee fine, like you normally do for any espresso. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our water and we're gonna pour in just filtered water. It can be cold, it can already be hot. Either way works. We're gonna fill it up. It's gonna put it just underneath on the inside, underneath that valve. We're then going to take this piece, which is where the coffee sits. It's gonna sit right in the middle there. And this is about, I weighed it out, it's about 25 grams, which is just under an ounce of coffee. Fine grind, but just pour it right in this section here that holds the coffee. And get it leveled out so it's nice and level and easy. And drop it in. So basically what's gonna happen is the coffee is gonna boil up through there and it's gonna brew pressurized coffee just like espresso. And it's going to brew into the top of this. Literally just screw it on till it's tight. We have a gas stove here. It works for electric too. We've got our burner lit now. Hey there,
We
it's
had a
Craig
little issue
from
with
Walt's
the
Coffee.
I'm
pretty
The
excited
water
to
is going to
announce,
heat up,
and
it's going to
we've
boil,
heard
it's going
this
to go
already
right up
this
through
week.
that, right into the coffee,
But we have
and
now
right out the top of here.
created a blend for
And then it will
espresso
be done,
specific.
it'll
It's
stop
great for
coming
a lot
out of
other
there,
coffees,
and
but
you've got
it's
yourself a
specifically
nice espresso.
made for espresso.
You can make an Americano out of it by
And I
adding
know
a lot of hot
people
water to it after it's brewed.
don't necessarily have
Add
espresso machines at home.
milk or
So we
steam
wanted
milk
to
to
put
it.
a
You
video
can do that
out
as
to
well.
show you a couple different ways that you can use an espresso blend to kind of get an espresso type of brew at home. Really pretty cheap, pretty easy, pretty quick. You don't need a super expensive espresso machine to do it. So anyway, we're going to walk you through real quick on how to make an espresso type drink with a moka pot, which is just a simple machine we're showing, not machine, but product